Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Listen, becoming a parent changes everything, right? It's the most incredible feeling in the world. But let's be real, those little bundles of joy can put a dent in your bank account. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share some seriously effective money-saving tips for all you new parents out there. We're talking about keeping your finances healthy while giving your little one the world. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. All right, let's talk about budgeting. I know, not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's the foundation of everything. Look, when I'm closing a multi-million-dollar deal in Manhattan, I don't just wing it, right? I come prepared, I know the market, and I have a plan. Same goes for parenthood, especially when it comes to finances. First things first, get a notepad and pen or create a spreadsheet if you're tech-savvy like me. Now list out all the essential expenses that come with a new baby. We're talking diapers, wipes, formula if you're not breastfeeding, clothes, crib, stroller, car seat. The list goes on and on. Don't forget those doctor visits. Once you have your list, estimate the costs for each item. Be realistic here, do your research, compare prices online and in stores. This is your due diligence, people. Now, with your detailed list, you can start allocating your income accordingly. How much can you realistically set aside each month for these baby expenses? This is where things get real, and you might need to make some adjustments to your lifestyle. But remember, it's all about priorities, and right now, your little one is at the top of that list. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making smart, informed decisions. It's about being in control of your money so you can provide the best possible life for your child. And trust me, the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've got this financially, that's priceless. Okay, now that you have a solid budget in place, let's talk about finding deals. Because guess what? You don't need to break the bank to give your little one everything they need. First and foremost, embrace the power of secondhand. Seriously, there are so many amazing online platforms and local groups where parents sell gently used baby gear for a fraction of the retail price. We're talking strollers, cribs, bouncers, clothes, toys. You name it, you can probably find it pre-loved and at a steal. Don't be shy about asking friends and family members if they have any baby items they're no longer using. One person's trash is another parent's treasure, am I right? Another pro tip, become a master of sales and discounts. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite baby stores, follow them on social media, download their apps. That way, you'll be the first to know about flash sales, exclusive coupons, and loyalty programs. Remember, timing is everything, especially when it comes to snagging those incredible deals. And here's a little secret. Sometimes the best deals aren't online, they're right in your local community. Check out consignment shops, thrift stores, and even garage sales. You never know what hidden gems you might uncover. Remember, being a savvy shopper is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. But the more you do it, the better you'll become at sniffing out those amazing deals and saving yourself a ton of money in the process. All right, let's get creative, because in this chapter we're talking about DIY, do-it-yourself. Listen, I'm all about luxury, but sometimes the most meaningful things in life are those we create with our own two hands. And trust me, when you put your heart and soul into making something for your little one, it becomes that much more special. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save money. Let's start with baby food. Making your own purees at home is not only super easy and cost-effective, but it also gives you complete control over the ingredients your baby is consuming. No preservatives, no added sugar, just pure, wholesome goodness. You can find tons of recipes and tips online, and it's a fun activity to bond with your little one as they grow. Next up, baby clothes. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a master seamstress overnight, but there are so many simple and adorable sewing projects you can tackle, even if you're a beginner. Think about soft blankets, burp cloths, bibs, even tiny hats and booties. The internet is your oyster, my friends, and don't underestimate the power of repurposing. Old t-shirts can be transformed into soft, absorbent burp cloths. Receiving blankets can be folded and sewn into stylish shopping cart covers. Get creative, think outside the box, and let your imagination run wild. The beauty of DIY is that it's not just about saving money. It's about creating something unique, something with love, something that your child will cherish for years to come. And those are the things that truly matter in life. That's it, my friends. I hope you found these money-saving tips helpful. Remember, becoming a parent is a huge adjustment, both emotionally and financially. But with a little planning, creativity, and a willingness to think outside the box, you can absolutely rock this whole parenting thing without breaking the bank. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content coming soon. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.